Or fine. I'm playing a game because since I couldn't like that one before, but we uploaded a video with my twin sister. So she might join the game. Okay, but the game has been allergic to seconds. That's good news. I'm just going to stay here. Everybody is shut up. I'm with everybody. Everybody. Oh, my sister is in the car. My sister is in the car. I just broke my hair. Ay!
Papa, buksan mo nga ilaw.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Okay ka lang?
Come on, guys. Just met
Okay ka lang?
my big sister.
Sabihin na ako dyan, ba't ako?
I'm with everybody though. Okay, guys. Let's see.
Anong masakit sa'yo? Wala.
If I hear that blip,
Hindi ako nang mainit na tubig.
look behind.
Oo, paano eh? Malamig ka.
I'm following you.
Kahit po. Ano daw nararamdaman ko?
Maglamig?
Wala. Sige ka magsabi siya. Wala.
And that? And
Ano daw?
that?
Siya, sige. Ibay mo. Ilamin mo muna ang tubig sa bin. Ilamin mo muna. Upo mo muna doon. Nakakaptay mo pa siya ng sarili niya. Wala sa mga likod. Mga pinapurisan eh. Ay, ayun ang mga. Lagi naka-aircon, di naman maano na ano yan.
Please. I got cheese, guys. I got cheese.
Oh, napalitan sa amin yung baso mo. Mainit na tubig. Huwag malamig. Ang kulit mo naman eh.
Sorry guys, but I want a gun. A gel gun. Sorry.
Papa. Okay ka lang?
For this, I got some gel gun.
Bigyan mo pag may plema, ilabas mo. Ayos ba higaan niya? Itayos mo. Baka sobrang baba ang taas yung uluhan mo. O, hindi pantay. Yung katawan. Itaas mo siya para nakakaupo din mo. Ayun.
I'm just gonna.
Isod pa doon, pausod mo sa pataas. Eh, nata mo, ang baba.
This gonna be. Oh,
Yung parang nakaupo siya, para nakarelax yung katawan. Hindi
guys, I'm
masasamid sa
gonna
ubo.
pause something. Okay, I'm just back. Okay, guys. not hit.
Idoy.
I still don't know when my
Nasa'yo pa
sister,
yung reset.
my twin sister will join me.
Yung maintenance.
And I'm gonna like she might
Yung dalawa lang yung kailangan niya yung kailangan niya yung Diyan na ako next week na. Magsabi ng nararamdaman na. Okay? Ha?
Okay, I'm just gonna sorry but
Masasabi mo ba? Love you.
if I
Kaya
see that
kayo.
stupid
Si
lemon,
mga unan.
see the lemon. Where can you join me so you can be in camera? Let's go back because I think this is so cute. Yeah. Nothing. There's oh shit. The fish. What's the fish? Ah, go back there. Go back. Guys, go back. It was safe. No, there. I don't think I'm safe. No, we're not safe. We're not safe. Did I just glitch? Come on. Please try this. I'm panicking. Where will we go? Where the heck? Where? What is this? What the? Come on. No, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. So I'm just gonna pause for a bit. Wait. I'm back because I just waited for my sister. Now my sister's here. Say hi. Hi. Okay, you just if you have to do it here, you might hear her.
Where are you?
I don't know. Oh, sister, I'm trying to find you.
I will find you. Oops. I think I saw you.
Wow. That's might be the gremlin.
This is magic.
Wait, what is your Anong name ng mate mo?
It's A.
I'm with Nana. With Nana B 00524. Yan yun na katabi ko. Hmm. Oh. I can see. Where are you? Hello! Let's go! We're here, sister. Sisi. Come on, Sisi.
I'll follow you.
Never mind, but
It's okay. We can go.
look, girl. He's trapped in a safe zone, bro. Someone's trapped in the safe zone. Lolo, it's in there. What happened to you guys? Oh, My sister has to go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna control my sisters. So, can I really see her? So, I'm good. Look at some. Huh? Oh. My sister got glitched because I'm controlling it. Wait a minute. Here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause. Okay, I just told my sister to go because she's back. And I got a glitch or neither than her. Finally, I gave listed it. Bro, stop sassing me. Bro, stop sassing me. Bro's trying to sass me. Okay ba? Okay. Saan ka na, sister? Nasaan ka na, sister?
Here, walking.
Nandito ako. Mga dito.
Oh, tara.
Ay, lagay mo. Ano ako para malagay mo?
Saan?
Nandito na.
Where are you? Yun.
Dito. Oh, yan. Okay. English speakers, you might translate it, please. Ayan. Yan. Lagay mo. Touch mo. Yung buong finger mo.
Yeah, I touched it. Oh.
Bakit hawak mo na? Ayan. Yan na. Wala na. Yan na. Kiss. Mo ko. If you see a kind of glitch, go to it because we need to. Kunin na mo. Kunin na kunin. Kunin saan niya? Kunin na niya. Sorry, Korean. Safe zones are not safe anymore. Or girl, hindi na safe mga safe zone. On, sister. O kapatid. Cousin. Pala, yun yung kapatid. Let's see. Girl, I don't think that's safe. Girl, we're not safe. I saw it. Don't look. I'm looking. Not there. It's not there. Girl, come on. Follow I don't know where to go, girl. Follow everybody. Follow everybody, girl. Nandito.
Tara, kakain na ulit. Yun.
By the way, I'm gonna get that out first. I can't lose my grits or... There. Separate Gusto mo talaga i-lose ko ito.